So how do you protect your train shed from catching fire? What precautions do you put in hand? Let me just show you what I've done to mine. Obviously it's a shed in the garden, this is, but we have our mains power coming in from outside through there. This box here, oh, let me stretch over, it's what they call a garage box, so I can isolate light and power quite easily. And then when I go down here to the actual nitty-gritty, in here, to power everything in here, I have this main switch. Now the beauty of that switch is that everything you can see here is connected to that. So my safeguard is that I've actually got lights underneath the baseboard. So when it's very dark and I switch my lights off to go out, and the door's closed of course, then I realise instantly that I can still see the lights under the baseboard. So therefore I know to go up there, turn that off, so the lights are no longer under the baseboard, and I know there's no power in this section to protect my railway at all. And what do we do on the 1st of every month? We check our smoke alarm by testing it.